What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have the AURCAN mosquito killer. This is a bug zapper, okay? Kills mosquitoes, roaches, houseflies, and spiders. And we definitely have a lot of these houseflies, which they call them gnats. If you have a lot of plants and stuff, they usually hide in the plants or the soil. Your kitchen sink, they usually in there. You could put some bleach in your kitchen sink, but that's blah blah blah. So in this, you can use this indoors. Right here it says the hotel, restaurant, kitchen, office, bedroom. Okay, on here they advertise a comfortable handle, detachable case, and it's eco and safety. All right, eco and safety, no chemical components in this. And we are going to go ahead and open it. Packaged nice and well, and you gotta love that they have the instructions first. So this is the instructions, but basically we have been reviewing bug zappers on here for many times. Here you go. All right, now the only thing I do wish with bug zappers is that they put a longer cord on the electrical ones. The solar ones are not that powerful. It just is what it is. I haven't found a real powerful solar one yet. If y'all know about a powerful solar one, then let me know. Put it in the comments and then I'll look into it. I would like to have a powerful solar one, but I haven't seen none. This is a brush to use to clean off the rails, all right? Because usually bugs or moths and stuff, when they get zapped, sometimes they stay on the rail, so you can use this to clean it off. All right, here is where the bugs should rest when they get zapped. This is their resting ground, and it clips right on, so it has the eject button right here. All right, that's what it looks like. All right, now can you take the grate off? You will need screwdrivers to take the grate off if you actually want to do a real thorough clean. Handle feels okay. It has a little loop right here, and that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and put this up and let y'all know a little bit more information. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Last thing I forgot to tell y'all, this is 3800 to 4200 volts. I guess the 4200 volts is the max. I'm not technically sure how that works, but we'll figure it out. All right, you guys, so I am going to go ahead and hook it up. So y'all know how I do on my bug zapper reviews. I usually let it stay out overnight. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So as you can see, a lot of moth got caught up in here. I don't see no mosquitoes. Okay, now let's check out our grave site. Oh wow, that is a lot of bugs. Woo! And one on the ground still looks zapped and still look alive. This is what you have the brush for, and you could clean off the cage on the inside. Take it to this side, same thing. You put your brush on the inside and brush all of the moss or whatever bugs you get in here, and that will be it. And then plug it back in for another nightly event. This bug zapper is amazing. Okay, I am probably done with the 600 volt bug zappers. I'm just not having no luck with the 600 volt ones. I will drop a review of a 600 volt one, but it didn't really do that good of a performance as the 1000 and up volts. So anyways, that will be it. The link for this will be in the description. And yeah, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back with y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.